Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A35 to an Android device. Begin by getting access to Play Store on both and downloading this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on OK or select Not Now and then click OK. Either way, when you finished, click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of A35. Then Receive right next to Send on an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories available at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you're ready, click Send next to Selected at the bottom and hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section and copy all of those numbers in correct order. Then tap on Receive and wait. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close the nut and allow camera access in the pop-up. Lastly, point your camera at this code and wait. As you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!